Alright guys, someone told me that if you take an old bag of chips, just empty, set it in there, and turn it on for about 3 seconds, it'll shrink real small. And it should be pretty cool. So I'm going to put it on for, I'll do 4 seconds. I'm a rebel. Not 3, 4. And start. We must go smaller. I'll just put it on a random time and watch it. I think we're good. Alright, well, that's really tiny. Cool. That was interesting. Okay. Alright, here's what we ended up with. It's harder plastic now. You can still kind of read the information. Well, you can't really see it through the camera. But you can read most of the nutrition facts. Still got the Sun Chips logo. Pretty cool.